morning, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to the Hydrogen Fuel Cells and Batteries Group Exhibit 2018. You're with me today at the Technical Forum. I'd like to invite all of you to grab a seat, enjoy a coffee, juice, or water while we listen to our next presentation. I'd also like to give a quick shout out to all of our live viewers and remind everyone that the videos are available after the fact. Just head to the website, look up Technical Forum, and you'll be able to find a replay of all of our information today. So if you missed something, you'll be able to find it again. Our next topic is Fuel Cells and Hydrogen Technologies Development at CNH2. And our speaker today is Beatriz Nieto Calderón, who's an engineer of the Applied Engineering Unit at the Centro Nacional de Hidrógeno.
Thank you.
Welcome.
Hello and good afternoon to everybody. Many thanks for the introduction. Today I would like to give you some information about the developments in fuel cells and hydrogen technologies that the Hydrogen National Center has done in the recent years, and as a result, what we can offer to the sector. First of all, I'm going to introduce you the Hydrogen National Center. It's an entity devoted to scientific and technological research in all fields related to hydrogen and fuel cells technologies. We are at the service of all the scientific, technological, and industrial community at national and international level. It's a consortium between the Spanish Ministry of Economy, Industry, and Competitiveness and the Castilla-La Mancha government, and it's located in Puerto Llano, Ciudad Real, since 2007. We are focused on the development of fuel cells and hydrogen technologies, for what we have laboratories, test bench, fuel cells, storage systems, and so on. And our main activities are test and validate prototypes and equipments, for what we have a few test benches that I'm going to explain you later. We develop and scale processes. We're already working in order to be able to approve, certify, and verify components and systems. And of course, we participate on research and development projects, working under contract, being financed by companies or private companies, with public fund in international, national, or regional public calls, and on a strategic project related to our research and development lines that I'm going to explain you below. And we also provide different types of services to private companies and researchers, such as consulting, characterization and analysis of materials, design and construction of test benches, safety studies and regulations, and so on. Related to the participation in research and development projects, I want to show you the main projects we have participated in the last years, pointing out the last one, which is with Chilean people. For the development of the above lines, we have several laboratories. Here I present you the different research and development lines in which we are working on, and where you can see that we cover the whole chain of hydrogen. Some of them are under development, but others are consolidated lines. Today I will focus my attention on some of them because I want to show you the developments of test benches in the field of hydrogen generation, hydrogen storage, and hydrogen conversion into energy. These are the laboratories that we have. And in this presentation, I'm going to talk about the developments that we have made in the first 3 laboratories. For more information about the others, we are on the booth E63-2, and you can go there to ask for information. I don't want to miss the opportunity to say that we have a refueling point of hydrogen. It's a hydrogen refueling station at 350 bar. We have several years of expertise in developing basic and detailed engineering of project designing, calculating, building up, and operating pilot plants, test benches, etc., regarding two different concepts such as power-to-gas, electrolyzers, fuel cells, and others. Here I want to show you a PEM fuel cell test station that we have developed, a power-to-gas pilot plant, and a storage test station. All three have been developed by us, either for external entities or for internal use. We have developed several test stations for fuel cells, ranging from stacks of low electric power to system up to kilowatts. Some of them are in our laboratories, and other is being used nowadays in other centers. Apart from that, we have another equipment able to contribute in tests for fuel cells, such as walking climate chamber and a shaker. Next, I'm going to show you the developments that we have made in that three laboratories. In the PEM technology testing laboratory, we have designed and made a structure for 4 stacks apart from the design of the POP distribution for an external entity. Also, we developed a single cells and stacks up to 5 cells test station for an electric power up to 150 watts with a gas humidification to up to 100% by using a bubbler system. Besides, a test station for 1 to 10 kilowatts was designed by using a water gas diffusion membrane. In this test bench, characterization test will be carried out for new developments, prototypes, or pre-commercial samples if it is necessary. This station for 500 watts was recently developed for an external entity and is being used nowadays. It was designed for testing single cells or stacks up to 7 cells. And also a test station was designed to work with systems from 10 to 30 kilowatts. And as I mentioned before, the aim is to carry out the characterization test for new developments, prototypes, and pre-commercial samples. In the Alkaline Electrolysis laboratory, we have developed a test station for alkaline electrolysis stacks. It was designed for a wide range of operation, and we are capable to analyze the hydrogen purity in a continuous way, and it is completely automated. In the hydrogen storage laboratory, we have developed a test station for metal hydrides with the aim of design and optimize vessels and cartridges with a simple and flexible design, capable to work at low and medium temperature up to 10 normal cubic meters. It is designed to work in flue and severed modes. And we are able to carry out studies of operation, kinetics, and chemical equilibrium. In addition, in the hydrogen storage laboratory, we have designed and customized a test bench for leakage and permeation determination in type 4 containers with a continuous sampling of hydrogen leak in inert gas by micro CG. And just to finish, I want to say that Hydrogen National Center collaborates with universities and research centers, with private companies and public administrations. And we are members of platforms and associations at national and international level. Thank you very much. If you want more information, we are in the booth E63 too, and you can go there to ask for information. Thank you.
Thank you very much for that presentation. If we have any questions at this time, I can bring the microphone down to you. But if there's nothing right at this moment, no need to be shy, of course. You can head by the booth, like you said, E63/2. And will you be here for the rest of the fair?
This is my last day.
This is your last day.
Yes.
Okay, so make sure you head on by today. You don't want to miss out on this opportunity. I also noticed you had the website on most of your slides. Will that information be available in English, or do we need to brush up on our Spanish?
In English and Spanish.
Okay, perfect. So it seems like there's plenty of information. So thank you all for your attention, and thank you very much for that presentation.
Nothing. Bye.
At this point, I'd like to inform you all that we are taking a short break for lunch, but we'll be meeting back here at 2 p.m. today to continue on the technical forum. The topic this afternoon will be introduction of our products related to hydrogen society. We'll be hearing from Tanaka Kikinzoku Kogyo. So if this is a topic for you, see you here at 2 p.m.